Hi, I'm Genevieve Schmidt, the editor of WomenRidersNow.com, coming to you from the Women Riders Now office. We are back with another one of our Women on the Street interviews, asking women riders some of the most important questions we want to know the answers to.
One accessory I can't leave without is my iPod. It's part of my therapy when I'm on the road.
Helmet, gloves.
My Garmin. I love my Garmin.
Me, an extra set of keys.
I've got to have spare tubes since I'm a dual sport rider. You just never know when you might get in a situation where you have a flat tire.
The one thing I cannot leave without is my eye protection and my helmet.
Besides my helmet, I guess my iPhone. I have to have all the gear all the time, and I love to have my Nano on my handlebars.
You know, I can't live without my sarong. It's not technically riding gear, but a sarong can be used as a scarf. If it's cold, you can put it under your helmet. If it's hot, I can get it wet and put it under my jacket. I can sleep with it. I can wear it as a dress and a skirt. When I'm traveling on my motorcycle, it's very easy to pack up a sarong and use it as a sheet or just a picnic blanket. It's the thing I always carry.